Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video. We started this video here on this beautiful view. We were heading out, it was on a Sunday. We were heading out to have dinner with my family. So if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that anytime I get to upload any new video, you will be the first one to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support for always coming back to watch my content. I really like this place. It's not my first time visiting the place with my family. They have amazing meals, delicious meals. We had rice, and can you imagine that rice was only 100 shillings. We had chicken. We had my children had french fries. Are they french fries or chips? And pork. We had goat, nyama choma, mbuzi choma. We had mokimo. As you know, this is potato season, so I think every corner they are enjoying and they are taking advantage of the season. But we didn't get to finish the food, so we carried some home. So enjoy the music while enjoying the video.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you with the parts of me I don't wanna see you again. Don't wanna write any more of our story, 'cause I know how it is. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb, you know the rules.
Motherhood. Oh my God. My baby was there distracting me while driving, and I'm not perfect in driving. I'm just perfecting it with time. I know I'll be a pro. And can you imagine? Vehicles were overtaking me right and left. Eh? But anyway, practice makes perfection. I know with time I'll be better.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you with the parts of me I don't wanna see you again. Don't wanna write any more of our story, 'cause I know how it is. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb, you know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Me, I'm good. Welcome to my channel. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Feel much welcomed. We love visitors. So don't forget to click the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will get notified. So today we are in the kitchen. I'm going to clean my kitchen, and my fridge over there, my small fridge there at the back. So I'm going to clean the kitchen and my fridge, then arrange everything. So stay tuned. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, a like, yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. So I've removed the inner parts. I want to wash them. They are very dirty, very dirty. Let me show you. Don't worry. Everything is in a mess. It's been a minute. You see, they are very dirty. So stay tuned and let's do this together. So first I'll begin with cleaning the utensils so that I can create some space over here. So I'll start with cleaning my utensils. So I'm thinking of doing this alone, the utensils part, because I don't want the video to be too long.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing.
I started with cleaning this dish rack over here, but I just feel disappointed because has started to rust. In future I'll be forced to buy another dish rack, and I'll not get a metal one, maybe a plastic one, or maybe if I'll get a best metal that cannot rust, I'll be okay.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. 'cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely. And I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen. 'Cause I love the way you hold me. And I don't need a reason. 'Cause I don't wanna be. Just so I can justify, but in the end it's useless. I tell myself another lie, 'cause I don't wanna be. La la la, lonely, la la la, lonely, la la la, lonely. I don't wanna be. La la la, lonely, la la la, lonely, la la la, lonely. I don't wanna be.
After that, I started cleaning the parts of the fridge, the inner parts, and after that, I went ahead and cleaned my fridge.
Nothing, nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you're shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
This is where it started. If you look keenly, you can see my hand over there. I was struggling to see if I can remove is it called rubber or what?
Hey guys, I had to remove this thing na ikikataa kurudi. What if it refuses to go back? Please don't judge me. What? This is really bad.
The reason I'm saying don't judge me is because the rubber was too dirty and I didn't know that it's removable. I got to learn through my fellow YouTubers. Thank you to YouTube. Every day is a learning day. So kindly don't judge me. I finally the pressure finally got to me. It got worse. I used the liquid, not liquid, the dishwasher soap to clean the fridge, and then I used vinegar mixed with water to rinse it, and I can assure you it was sparkling clean after that.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts.
Now it was time to return the rubber, and I can assure you it was as simple as removing it. It was very simple to return it, but I understand fridge and are different. We have different types of fridge, so this mine was simple, so I don't know about yours, but I think returning the rubber is just the same process. So maybe you can try removing yours and cleaning it. After that, I wiped the fridge with a dry clean cloth and then arranged everything back to its place. I know it's empty, I know, but the economy is not good, and we have to survive with the little we have. No pressure, no pressure. So this is how the fridge was looking like. I think it was better than before, yeah. So after cleaning my fridge, my kitchen, it was time to cook supper. And on this day, we had pilau for supper. And one thing I wanted to tell you about pilau. I know we cook pilau in so many different ways, but if you want your pilau to be brownish, you have to use lots of onions. Cook them till golden brown, not golden, I think dark brown. Yeah. So at this point is where your onions are, your onions are ready. They are, is it dark brown? Yeah. Then you start adding all, whether you are using chicken or meat. So me, I was cooking beef pilau. If you've watched till this point, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for the support. I don't take it for granted. So let me finish cooking and then we will enjoy this delicious meal together.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing.
This is how the food was looking like. Very delicious. And thank you all so much for sticking around till the end. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.